Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. In today's video we are going to make this very beautiful fairy treehouse lamp using waste, glass jar, plastic bottles, cardboard and homemade ceramic clay. It is one of the best projects that you can make out of trash, and this lamp will definitely add a magical touch to any corner of your space, and I really enjoy making it. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. If you are new to the channel, it's so great to have you here. So subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell and select all so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. after decorating our fairy house using some mushrooms and cute little lantern, it's time to put some light inside it, and here is the final look. I also add a cute little secret door behind our fairy house. I hope you all noticed it. And it really turned out to be so magical, isn't it? Don't forget to share your valuable feedbacks in the comment section below and share it with your family and friends. And thanks for watching. See you in next one.